Hello everyone. Thanks for coming to art class. So today I'm going to be demoing a project called If Objects Could Have Hobbies. Now all the slides and stuff like that is on Schoology in week 7. So if you want to refresh your memory with those steps and the rules, check out the slideshow. But right now I'm just going to go through all the steps here on my iPad. So step 1 is picking a color family. So I'm going to click on this bottom layer here. I've just pointed an arrow to it. And that's going to allow me to pop up this color wheel and change the background color of the page I'm drawing on. So I'm going to pick blue, and I think a light blue would be nice for my background. Awesome. Now the next step is picking an object or thing from your house. So I have a picture of this chair. I'm going to trace this chair. So look at the right hand of my screen. You want to make sure that that chair is on the bottom and that you're going to be drawing on that top layer. Very important. Now remember, the color family is blue. So right now I just want to trace this cool looking chair with a blue pen. I'm going to go fairly quickly here. Okay. And let's get the legs in. Of course, I want you to take your time and go a little slower, make it look nicer, but this is just a quick demo for you guys to understand what is happening in this project. Okay, so now I'm gonna, now that I'm done and I'm happy with the drawing, cool. I'm gonna click on the layer with the photograph that I've taken or I've downloaded, and I'm going to delete it. So now it's not here anymore. I only have my sketch that I copied. Awesome. So now I want to fill in this chair, probably with a lighter blue. And I'm going to press the paint can fill thing up here to fill these sections. Maybe we'll get a little darker for this area. And then we'll go even darker for the bottom. Oop. And then we'll click this. Oop. We see a little opening there. Those openings are the reason why it was taking the whole page. All right, so I'm done with my chair and I'm pretty happy with it. Now I'm gonna try to humify, like make it a human by adding maybe a face, maybe some eyes. So I'm gonna go very light blue, and maybe I can draw some eyes right here. Cool. Go back to dark blue here. Oops. Okay. And then we'll do hello. And maybe we should do a mouth as well. And we'll fill that as well. And then we'll go back to dark blue to outline the mouth and maybe some teeth. All right, so now my chair has a face. Now we got to make it doing like a hobby, some type of human hobby. And I'm thinking maybe we should have him riding a skateboard as well. I'm going to give him some arms. Because remember, we want to make him kind of like a human having a hobby, doing something fun. So he already has like kind of legs, so that's chill. So let's just try to draw some type of skateboard here. We'll draw those little trunk. And then we'll draw a skateboard wheel here. I'll do another skateboard wheel here, and we'll have like the back of the other skateboard wheel here. And now I'm gonna fill that in with some color. Just remember, everything has to stay in the blue color family. So I'm just making sure everything is kind of sealed off before I start filling in color. So I think the board should be like a really bright blue. Then we'll go to a darker blue for the wheels, even darker blue for the back wheels. Awesome. And for his arms, I want it to match. And now there you have it. We have created a skating chair. And that's this week's project, right? If your objects could have hobbies. If you have any questions, please reach out to me via Teams or ask me when we're in class together. Have a great day, y'all.